price optimization for e-commerce using deep learning. Our team member is I am Vikram and Ahmad Rilwan. Our supervisor is R. Gobinath sir, Assistant Professor of Department of AI&DS. Problem statement. In the e-commerce industry, they need to optimize the price to maximize the profit and the market share. The traditional static model is failed to adapt the real-time market trends. So that problem we have developed a system that can automatically adjust the price based on the market trends, demand, and the competitor prices. Objective of the project: predictive accuracy. When we are using the LSTM model, the LSTM model highly capable of time series data, so that the LSTM model can give the accurate prediction. Data optimization: the model can automatically glean and scaling the high quality data. Then the hybrid control, combine the LSTM and the rule based model to generate the optimal price. Final safety guidance: the when we are using the business logic, so that is then profit maximization. When we are using this model, the model can dynamically adjust the price based on the demand and the other factors, so that it increase the profit also. Our proposal solution: a hybrid architecture. And the first LSTM model analyze the past and days of data, then identify the patterns and demand and competitor moves, then generate the raw price of the product, then the verifier, the logical layer. Based on the demand, it can adjust the price. Demand also automatically generated by our model using the other factors. Then the price must be lower than the competitor price and higher than the our cost price. And data set collection. We are manually collecting the data like e-commerce platform like Amazon and like Flipkart. The data have 5,000 of record like base price, cost price, competitor price, demand factors, inventory level, season, brand, etc. Domain relevance: it's highly relevant to our driving pricing. Data quality: the data is uh, highly quality. It don't have any missing values. Data is well aligned to the project tool. Data pre-processing, null value handling. Check the missing values, then it and then it reset with the mean median mode. Then feature scaling, normalize all the rows in the data set. Then categorical encoding. We are label encoding the categorical values. Uh, the features like product name, category, brand, season, and inventory. Uh, Model implementation. We are using the hybrid neurosymbolic approach, the AI algorithm LSTM model. The LSTM model have input layer, hidden layer, and output layer. In input layer, we give the 11 market factors. Then the hidden layer 32 and 64 unit. Then dropout is 20%. Then inactive the some neurons. Then output layer, we are using the linear activation function to predict the raw price of the product. Then the logic layer, the safety governors. This layer acts as a symbolic filter. If the demand is higher than the zero point 0.5, it increase the price of the product. If the demand is lower than the zero point 0.5 means it reduce the predicted price. Then price guardians, if the price must be higher than the cost price and lower than the competitor price, 0.4% lower than the competitor price and 5% higher than the cost price. On the model architecture, initially we get the data from CSV file like product price, demand, competitor price, cost price, inventory level, purchase frequency, season. like that. Then pre-process the data, label encoding, min-max scaling, and separating the sliding window past 10 days of data. Then the AI engine, the LSTM model predicts the raw price of the product. Then logic and safety. The demand, if the demand is higher than the zero point 0.5, it will increase the price of the product. Then the predicted price must be lower than the competitor price, like 0.5%. Then a minimum 5% of margin. Then the final price into the website is a training example, model training example. And this is a model evaluation refinement. And then when we are using the linear regression, it will give the correct price, but does not change in the real world scenarios. Random forest also like that. The LSTM model give the accurate top prediction that, but the business logic are not working. When we are using come to the hybrid system, it solve the all the problems when we are faced in other models. Then the deployment integration, we using the reply to deploy our model. It is 24 into 7 available in cloud. This is our example. And this is our this is our model dashboard. Then these are it shows the price of the product in real time. When we are we don't have any API integration to generate the competitor price. So that reason we have an admin panel. It will change the price of the when we are change the price competitors. It will generate the demand automatically and also the AI dynamic price also. When we change anything in our data set, like this, the demand is also increased. When we change anything in factors and also demand also slightly decrease and price dynamic price also decrease. Then when I click to apply to store, it will dynamically shows in the dashboard like this.